In fact, Congress Member of Parliament and Mr. Pramod Tiwari will be escorting Reddy to Parliament. He is, of course, the India Bloc candidate. Pramod Tiwari, of course, Deputy LOP in the Rajya Sabha, will be accompanying Reddy, and opposition leaders will be leaving around 9:45 a.m. This is, of course, the latest update coming in. I believe Niyamika is bringing us this latest update. Niyamika, over to you. What exactly do we know about who will be accompanying, in fact, Mr. Reddy along with Pramod Tiwari?
Well, yes, as we have got this information that the Deputy Leader in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Pramod Tiwari, has given this responsibility. He will be accompanying Mr. Sudarshan Reddy, as he will be reaching there at around 9:30 a.m. at the Taj Mansingh Hotel, where he will be leaving for the Parliament along with Mr. Sudarshan Reddy for the voting day. As right now we are also standing here outside the residence of the Congress President, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, as the responsibility which has been given to various leaders, including Mr. Syed Nasir Hussain, Mr. Manikam Tagore, as well as Ms. Satabdi Roy, who are going to be the polling agents of Mr. Sudarshan Reddy on this day, as all of these leaders are already, leaving for the Parliament to make all the preparations for the opposition strategy, to make sure that all the MPs are also going to be present, because they are not just, pinning hopes from their own MPs, but there is also some kind of confidence which the opposition parties are also sharing regarding the kind of a cross voting support which they are expecting from the other member of parliaments as well. They are saying that despite of the fact that many of the NDA alliance partners, as well as
Mr. Pramod Tiwari joining us on the phone line. Mr. Pramod Tiwari, I believe you will be accompanying Justice Reddy, who is the candidate of the India Alliance to the Parliament. Who all will be accompanying? By when do we expect to see the votes being cast, Mr. Tiwari?
The voting will start at 10 a.m. So we are hopeful that we should reach there, and we will reach there around 10 a.m. I will pick up him, take him to the Parliament. We will decide.
And who all will be accompanying him? Will Mr. Rahul Gandhi also be along with you when you arrive in Parliament, sir?
Naturally, Rahul Gandhi is the leader of the opposition. Sonia Gandhi, the chairperson. Mr. Kharge, the Congress president, and all other party leaders will be there. They will cast their vote. And we are expecting a lot of people who have extended their support in the favor of Justice Sudarshan. And this election is not a election which is on symbol or party based. We are expecting people will listen, Antaratma, and they will vote according to their wishes.
States are you hoping for the cross-voting? Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, where are you expecting the cross-voting to take place?
I want to tell you very clearly, it's not called cross-voting because he is not contesting on any party symbol, one thing. Second, there is a no party line. Everyone has to vote according to his own wishes. No whip, I want to clarify, no whip is applicable in the election of President of India or Vice President of India. Whip is a very important word. When you defy the whip, then you cross the party line.
All right, Mr. Tiwari.